Ukuthula makwande zingane zezulu, zingane zendlu emhlophe, dumelang, sanibonani bantwana bami eChristina, abantwana bantate Masango neMeana. Siyazi what's been happening lapho ngaphandle kule insuku lezi ezindlulile. Wonke umuntu omdala nomncane nabaphathi bethu enkosini sishaqekile kakhulu. Most of us are lost for words. However, I've got a statement that has and must be released. It's an official statement. And here it goes. In light of the blasphemous act that has befallen us, and on behalf of the Masangos, the Nkus, and all the other families that played a crucial role in building the church as it is today, and on behalf of the St. John's Apostolic Faith Mission, we distance ourselves from the bad behavior of those that took part in this shameful act. That is in no way, shape, or form of the reflection of what the indoctrination, practices, and or behavior we stand for as a church. With regards to the matter at hand and the accountability thereof, the church has decided to deal with the matter internally, being guided by the code of conduct of the Constitution. Those involved should be dealt with accordingly and appropriately. Counseling must be afforded to the parties involved by the powers that be. I think.
So you guys, St. John's Apostolic Faith Mission Church finally decided to break its silence regarding what has been trending for the past couple of days. Yes, you guys, they've decided to open up about the viral Clove video which has been shared across all social media platforms, as two people were seen wearing, of course, their church uniform, you guys, and as a result, the church's name has been dragged through the mud. So they released a statement, of course, distancing themselves, saying that they do not approve of what actually transpired between the two parties who were involved in the viral video, you guys. And they also state that the two parties who were involved will definitely be dealt with accordingly, you guys. Now, they said that, counseling, if needed, of course, will be offered to the two people who were involved in what we saw transpire, you guys. And it has been reported by the so-called sister on Facebook that the lady in question, the lady who did the deed on that video, is reportedly at the hospital. She got hospitalized after that video went viral on social media, and she pleaded with the public, of course, to stop and refrain from sharing that video, as it will definitely jeopardize her marriage, because the sister is a married woman, you guys. And today the Church of the St. John Apostolic Faith Mission issues a statement, of course, addressing the issue. Well, there you have it, you guys. What do you think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like and of course share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.